Last time we were talking about Babylon, the head of gold, and today the lion with the wings. Previously, Medo-Persia, the silver breasts. Today, the bear of Medo-Persia. Previous time, Greece, which was represented by the bronze thighs of that image, and today the leopard with the 4 heads and the 4 wings. The same kingdom. Last time the Roman Empire, the legs of iron, and today this beast with the 10 horns of iron. The 10 kingdoms. Did the reformers know this? I had to discover that they not only knew, they actually went and they built an image. They built it in Nuremberg, Germany, against the walls of the municipal building. Who is this? Nebuchadnezzar and the lion with the wings of Babylon. Isn't it amazing? Who's this? Cyrus of Medo-Persia with the bear. Daniel 7 in stone. On the other side of the building, who's this? Alexander the Great and the leopard with 4 heads and 4 wings. And on this side, Julius Caesar and this beast with the 10 horns. But look a little closer. Let's just bring it a little closer. What do we see there among the 10 horns? A little horn, a face of a man. We have also a more sure word of prophecy. Whereunto you do well that you take heed, as to a light that shines in a dark place, until the day dawns and the day star rises in your heart. Dear friends, I pray that something of this light is starting to shine through in your hearts. May God help us.